Hello, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint training. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this very interesting task, and that is how to create a table and a chart from the Microsoft Excel environment in Microsoft PowerPoint. For the sake of presentation, you will want to have your table of data and chart in PowerPoint so that you can easily use it for presentation. I'm going to show you how I did something like this using PowerPoint, of course, to do it, and it's purely Excel tax. Now let's look at it. So I'm going to create a new um, thumbnail. So I'll double click. Let me just say new slide. So here I'll remove the layout. I'll turn the layout to blank so that I can have a blank screen. Then I'll go to insert, and then I would go to table. So insert, all this task is done in PowerPoint. So this is not Excel, but I'm going to insert an Excel spreadsheet into PowerPoint. So you go to insert, you go to table, you go to Excel spreadsheet. So you have your Excel spreadsheet. You can expand it to show the areas you want to work with in your PowerPoint environment. Then the next thing is you want to provide your tables. So here I have countries, and then here I have values. So I have Nigeria, I have Ghana, I have Togo, and if this is too tiny, you can increase the font size or expand your PowerPoint slide view. Okay. Okay. So I just expanded my PowerPoint slide view so that but the expansion is a little bit giving me some little problem. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I have the values, and then maybe, and then maybe. So let me add one more country, Benin Republic, and then maybe. So now the normal chart thing that you do in Excel, you select your table, go to insert. This environment is now Excel environment, but the object is placed inside the Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'll go for insert, then I'll go for the table, for the chart, the 2D column chart. Then I can place the chart beside my table. And then once I'm done, I just click out of that. And you can see that it's standing as an object in Excel, and I can easily expand the object. Okay, so for you to get back into Excel, you double click, and then it brings you back into the Excel environment. So you can do your formatting. So I want to add color. I want to give this table all border, and I want to give it a thick border around it. Okay, then this chart is okay. Maybe I can give it a title if I like. Then I can go to the view tab and remove all the grid lines. So this Excel sheet no longer has a grid line. Then with this, I can click outside of the area, and you can see that my table of data and my chart is placed inside the PowerPoint environment. So for the sake of my presentation. So if you like, you can convert this from this format into an image. You can copy it and paste as an image or object. Okay, so this is how to create a chart, a table and a chart object in the Excel environment. Of course, using in the Excel object using Microsoft PowerPoint environment. So this is where I'm going to stop on this. See you another time. Bye for now.